in terms of testing, this is as basic as I can be. Hi, this is Lee, and here I am testing the Behringer C1 high quality or mid-range mic with the Neewer NW-800 or something like that. Now, the Behringer, I think when I bought it was about 70 or 80 quid. The Neewer mic, I think, was about 18, 20, something like that. Both are phantom powered. Both are currently running into my Tascam DR44WL. I've set the input levels so that they're about on par with each other. And oddly, the Behringer needs the input turning up further than the Neewer. One thing about this Neewer mic that we discovered, because Richard purchased one as well, he purchased his first, to be honest, was that it didn't seem that loud. But then reading through lots of comments and things online, on Amazon and various other places, and then looking on Neewer's own website, turns out it's phantom powered. Didn't say that on the box, didn't say that on the leaflet inside the box, i.e. the instructions, and it didn't seem to say in the description on Amazon. It's not a problem if you've got a phantom power option. Neewer make a phantom power box, or if you've got a separate recorder, or actual proper video cameras and things, they supply phantom power. It's not an issue. But if you don't know that, you might buy this mic and think, well, that's not very good, I've wasted my money. But what we have discovered is it's a pretty good mic, especially for the cost. What its longevity be like, don't know, can't tell you. But it is nice. It's nice to use. It sounds clear. It sounds good. I'm using it with a pop filter purely to reduce the wind noise and things, and the noise, obviously. But yeah, so these mics are literally side by side, picking up me from the same place, and I will play them back to you here. This is the Behringer C1. Basic test 1, 2, 3. My name is Lee. Thank you. And now this is the Neewer NW-800 phantom powered mic. 1, 2, 3. My name is Lee. Thank you. So as a test, what do we think of them? Well, there's not a lot between them. Different people will prefer different things. I'm not manipulating the sound at all. I'm just going with whatever came out the Tascam recorder. I think as an entry-level mic for podcasts, video voiceovers, whatever you need, I think it's a good bit of kit. Anyway, I've been Lee Ballard. Thanks for watching, and thanks for listening. And we'll see you next time. Bye now.